Hey folks, we got another CRV for you. It's a 2013. It's an EX, all-wheel drive, one owner, just like we like them. Perfect Carfax, no accidents, no paint work. Just a super straight, clean little car. Non-smoker, factory sunroof, hands-free Bluetooth calling, satellite radio. She's ready to go, folks. The greatest little cars on the planet, and this one is like new. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect. We're going to start the down payment $795 on this car. It's a 1 week special, $795 starting down payment through our guaranteed credit approval program. 2 current paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, 1 hour of your time. And check out the price, folks. One owner cars, service, safety inspected, road tested, DasCleveland.com.